Good morning. As you can see, we're hitting a walking lake. It's foggy right now. It's not supposed to be bad for weather. 9 mile per hour average for wind. Weather's supposed to be foggy, which I don't mind the fog, and I'm hoping that's gonna trigger the fish to bite today. It's been a little slow last 2 weeks for me. Whew, sorry. Had to go up that hill, and I gotta pack everything in my kayak just in case I forget something. You know how that goes. Can never have enough. Here is the lake. Finally. We don't have to worry about getting hit out here because it's only a walk-in lake, which I like. So it should be a good day. I'm the only one out here. It's a pretty decent sized lake too. Smallmouth, walleyes in here. I believe northern and catfish should be in here. So the game plan of the day is I'm going to head north of the lake. I haven't tried this side. It gets pretty deep too. We're in 13 feet of water and the temperature is 56 degrees. Not really deep right here. I'm at 5 foot. This lake, it doesn't really get that deep. It gets 21 max. That's kind of weird right there. It looks like I'm in a river. It's going that way. Cast over there. Maybe it's a rock coming way up. It looks really weird right here. It looks like it's like I'm almost in a river right now and it's going that way. I know this is probably not the smartest thing. I don't know. That's really weird. Ooh, there I got one. Ooh, he's sitting right under that undertow there coming. Waiting for something to come for him. Ooh, that's a pretty decent one for this lake. You better get that ready. I'll take it. Jumped right in the net. Oh, that is a pig. Look at the belly on that thing. Oh, I'm marking. Yeah, there's more down there. Whoa. Power on these ones. They come from that river, so they got a little fight in them. There's a nice smallmouth for the day. Look at the belly on her. Beautiful colors. About 15 and a half, not real big, but the girth, oh jeez. So I just got that smallmouth on that jerkbait. Small little profile. I got bigger ones, but they weren't really biting on anything, so I went a little bit smaller, and maybe they're biting, maybe I just had to find them. So I'm heading back off where I got them. Still bugs on top of the water. I figured they would have been dead by now, but it hasn't been that cold. Still 2.5. I think they're just sitting in about 5 foot right where that was coming off. Ooh, had another hit there. Yep, now we're fighting. Ooh, got him. So they're sitting right here. Bam! See? Pays off to watch that fish finder. Whoa! He almost jumped right in the kayak, that one. They're not real big here, but let me tell you what, they put a fight up. There. Second one right here, same spot. Got another one here. This kayak, but beautiful colors, getting darker. That sun's starting to poke its way out. Looking like a good day already. one more cast. And we're gonna go venture up a little bit here. That wind, oh! I told you, I knew there was one more in here. This seems a little lot bigger than the other one. Oh yeah. I'm thinking this is our 17-incher right here. Oh, loosen up that drag a little bit. He's towing us right now. Oh, these things are just putting up a good fight. Another one in the net. Look at the belly on these things. Oh, that one got me wet. That's all right. As long as I'm catching him. No, he's actually smaller. Bellies, look at the bellies on him. Let's get him in the water. Boy, I'm getting readings under. Oh, I got another one. They are stacked up right there. Oh, I had it. There was one following it right there. They're getting a little smaller here. Not a really big one, but I'll take it. I don't know how close I want to get to that because that's where the water starts getting taken out. Right now, 16. Look at this. Nice rip with that here. There's the current flow right here. Oh, got one. That's where they're sitting, right? These current flows. Oh, we better get the net on this one. Come on, got him. There you go. Yeah, they've been really aggressive, the ones I've been finding. Seem to be certain areas here, not really spread out. I think I'm gonna head to the river here. I think with that current flow, it kind of gave me an idea that where they're sitting now. Oh, yeah, I got something. Ooh. I'm thinking it's a bass. I don't think it's real huge, but that thing, boy. In the net. Sitting right off this. It must be. Another one, instantly. Oh, they are stacked up today. Just out of my way. 15 bigger. Oh, missed one. I slowed it down just a little bit there. Well, I think I'm just gonna make my way down this shoreline here. I'm in 7 feet of water here. About what I've been getting them at. Maybe I'll let it sink one. Just a little bit, not too much. Ooh, there I got something. Maybe that worked. Whoa! He jumped up twice. He wasn't even on the hook that one time. 14 feet of water here. There! I knew there was something up there. There we go. Yep, he came right off. Oh! And he fell right off too. sure hope I got that. Yeah! In the net. Right. That one really wanted it. He was chasing it. I saw that one. That was pretty intense there. They always look a lot bigger under the water. Ah, this is just good fishing here. 7 feet. Yeah, I'm just wrecking it all. We're at the river mouth right now. And like I was saying, they've been feeding more current, and hopefully we'll get some more here. They're stacking up for the fall. Sun's out. Ooh, got another one. Instantly. It's all about location. It's a little guy. See, he caught me wet. That one I threw in backwards. He still managed to get me. And I don't like my rod sticking in there like that. We already learned the hard way. And I really like this reel. Nice spot though. You got a windbreak here off the main lake, kind of going up the river now. Another one! He's not big, but look at the colors on that one. You can tell the water temperature is getting cold. Oh, one that didn't splash me. That's why they're kind of schooling up together. Because usually when it's always nice just catching fishing. There, you know. Oh, got another one. Oh, got another one. Oh, went back because he did swallow it. There we go, another one. This is getting too easy now. I know, that's the first you've ever heard from me. The sun's out. Let's see what those guys... Ooh, a top water might be kind of fun right now. Yes! Oh, got one! First one with that lure right there. It's a pretty decent one too. There, another one. Slowed it down. So this one back in the water quick as possible. He got himself a little deep there. Not in the mouth, but just on the side. He'll be alright. Oh. Hit the camera. I got a little too excited there. He came right up for it. There we got him. Let's go back. Scare everything off. Pretty big beast here. I can never tell, the girth is just massive around here, but he is giving me a fight here. I wish I had a little lock there. Well, we'll just let him wear himself out here. In the net. We're at the new location now. Right where the river, it's got current here, so should be fish here too, and it's got cover. Spinner's all messed up. There we go. Oh, that's these are river smallmouth here, so they put up a good fight. I really thought that was a lot bigger than it was when it first hit. Look at the red eyes on that one. Hang off the side here. Oop, there we got one. There you go. A little bit smaller this way, I noticed. Cast it back over there and try it again. Oh, got him. Ooh, this lends a tank right here. Ooh, that's a really looking one. We're gonna have to get a measurement on that one. For sure. Get a measurement quick. I'm not even just gonna take a picture, I'll just tell you what it is. 17 inches. Alright, let's get him back in the water.
you.